Welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. And for today's video, we're going to be looking at this question right here. So take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourselves. Okay, so the question describes a stateless web application running on EC2 on-demand instances behind an application load balancer. The problem is heavy usage during an 8-hour workday, moderate usage overnight, and low usage on weekends, and the goal is to reduce EC2 costs without affecting availability. So let's analyze our options. Option A uses spot instances for the entire workload. Now, spot instances are the cheapest, but they are interruptible, meaning AWS can reclaim them anytime, which is not ideal for baseline workload. Option B uses reserved instances for baseline usage plus spot instances for additional capacity. Now, reserved instances provide cost savings for predictable workloads, and spot instances handle fluctuating demand cost efficiently and effectively. And this balances cost and availability, so it's the best choice so far. Option C uses on-demand instances for baseline usage plus spot instances for extra capacity. Now, on-demand instances provide a lot of stability, but they are more expensive than the reserved instances for baseline usage, so not the best cost-effective choice because on-demand still basically does the same thing as a reserved instance in this scenario. Option D uses dedicated instances for baseline usage plus on-demand for extra capacity. Now, dedicated instances are costly and unnecessary, which does not optimize costs at all, so worst option here. So this shows us that option B is the best solution, a combination of reserved instances and spot instances. So here's basically how it works. Reserved instances handle the baseline load, ensuring availability at a lower cost. Spot instances dynamically scale up during peak hours at a fraction of the price. Application load balancer distributes traffic across instances, and auto-scaling group adjusts capacity based on demand. Now, the key takeaways from this question is that reserved instances are best for predictable workloads with continuous usage. Spot instances provide extra capacity at a lower cost, but can be interrupted. Auto-scaling groups can adjust capacity dynamically. Dedicated instances are costly and unnecessarily necessary here. On-demand is flexible but more expensive than reserved instances. And for AWS cost optimization, always mix pricing models to match workload patterns. And that is it for this question. Thank you for watching, and of course, subscribe for more.